roll the windows down. Let me see if I can fit through here. I think we can because we're in a Z and we're super small. Yes, we can. All right, guys. Damn. Howdy, all right? So I gotta walk fast because it's raining, but I am leaving work right now. I'm getting the heck out of here. And I got my Chick-fil-A, I got a sweet tea, and I gotta walk faster because actually I gotta run. It's like raining. Fuck! My car is all the way over there because I decided it'd be a good idea to park away. I figured I'd pick up the camera. You guys know the drill. The roads are wet. We got a 350Z, and yeah, we're gonna go for a little bit of a drive. It'll be fun, and yeah, that's about it. Put the cup here. Don't sue me. Got like 5,000 up. I left my Chick-fil-A from earlier. Damn. We'll just leave it there. Got like $5,000 worth of camera equipment in there. Cup. God, I'm getting soaked, dude. I do this for you guys. All right. Notice how the car is very, very clean. I cleaned it the other day. Of course, it rains and destroys the paint, but all right. Jeez. Okay. Let's start this thing up. We're gonna let the Z warm up, get up to temp. I am in Florida. It is actually pretty cold out recently. There's like a cold front, and it's literally like in the 30s, guys, in the mornings. So it's a little cold. So Z starts right up, of course. Update. This stupid PSI light is flashing and it won't get off the screen or the dashboard. I already had this problem. It's not my TPMS sensors. I almost bought a brand new set the last time I had this problem. Basically, the cold weather is messing with the tire pressure, obviously, and this is just tricking the system to think that I have a low tire, but all of my tires are holding air. Probably not the amount of air they're supposed to, but yeah, be gone, peasant. So that's all I do. So I'm just gonna go to my brother's shop and he'll put some air and the little PSI light will go away. So I've done it before, I've had the same problem. Another thing while we start warming up the car, I took the steering wheel cover off of the wheel. It just started to rip. Oh god. Sorry, my Apple CarPlay connected. Freaking Drake started playing. Actually, it's a really good song. Yeah, I don't want to scratch the wheel, but I figured I'm just gonna take the cover off because the wheel feels so amazing in my hands as I'm driving, and I'll just trim my nails. They're not trimmed right now, but I will trim my nails so I don't like scratch the steering wheel, keep it mint. And yeah, so that's the two little updates, PSI light, and I took the steering wheel cover off. A lot of you guys were kind of getting pissed and annoyed that I was running it. With all that said, we're still warming up, so the next clip, the Z will be all warmed up. We'll put the GoPro on, and I think the lens is actually a little foggy. Hold on. Oh, that kind of made it like worse. Hold on. I'm sorry guys if the lens is foggy, but yeah, we are going to put the GoPro on and just go for a little drive and have fun. So that's enough talking. If you guys made it this far in the video, just be sure to leave a like on the video because it helps so much more than you guys think. Subscribe to the channel, join the channel before we hit 4,000 subscribers because we're closing in really fast. We're already past 3,200, which is, you guys are freaking awesome. And yeah, with all that said, drop a comment down below. Throughout the video, you guys can just drop anything you want to say, and I literally answer like 99% of all the messages, so I will get back to you guys pretty quick. Recently, guys, I have not been angling the GoPro right, and it's because I bought a new head mount. The last one actually broke, and I just haven't like tightened the new head mount to my head, so the angle was like moving all over the place, and it was kind of like bad. You guys were telling me like, yo, fix the angle, fix the angle. So it's super tight on my head now, probably more tight than it should be. It's probably cutting off circulation to my brain, but you know what, it's all good because we got the angle. So without further ado, let's go driving. Obviously let's kick on the wipers. So right now we're gonna take the Z out and we're gonna hit some back roads. Oh, I didn't even turn my lights on, I'm tripping. If you guys keep up with the videos, just turn VDC off. You guys know these back roads. Tried to flick it, it didn't want to flick. Probably because I have all seasons on, and the tires are literally like brand new. The previous owner bought them like right before I got the car, which is nice, but it does kind of make it harder to, you know, flick the car in the rain and stuff, which is like, you know, how hard can it be? It's raining with a Z. But actually guys, the tires like work good. So I want to test this e-brake out really bad, but I don't know if it's tight or not. I haven't really pulled the e-brake all too much. I really just like clutch kick, which that's not the best for the car. But I'm not really a e-brake kind of guy. And we might have to stop and get some gas because we are probably like a couple miles till empty. I mean, when are we not? It's kind of a coincidence. Every time I pick up the GoPro and do a POV drive, we're like up, just literally as I'm talking about being empty, my gas light just flicked on. Hydroplane up a little bit. It's all good. We got all seasons on, baby. Actually, I'm not sure what brand they are. Let me give you guys a couple more updates. I did a couple mods to the Z, so if you missed the last two videos, check it out because I'm sure you guys will like it. They're really easy, inexpensive mods you can do to your car. We finally did something to the Z, and it's not like heavy duty mod, it's not performance or anything, but it's just cool, like lighting mods. Also, another lighting mod I did, the Z has underglow now. And yes, underglow is kind of a ricer mod, but I've never had it and I've always wanted it. Yeah, right now my like PSI light is flashing, my my gas light is flashing, everything's flashing in this car. As long as it's not a check engine light, we're good. I mean, it is a Nissan, so you don't really get much check engine lights. Knock on shift knob. But yeah, I've only had to replace sensors. That's the check engine light in this car came on twice, and they were just sensors. God, this car is so fun in the rain. Yeah, all we have, I don't know how good you guys can hear the exhaust, but all we have is a muffler delete. I do plan on getting like a full single exit very soon. I just don't know what like I want to go with. Should I go with Tomei? Should I go with I know ISR has a titanium single exit. I just want something single exit and titanium. So right now I'm kind of like shopping around. You guys let me know down in the comments, what do you think I should go with? Should I just go with the traditional overpriced Tomei? Or should I get something maybe that's, you know, a little bit unique and different from all the rest of the millions of Zs that have titanium single exits? Alright, we're gonna send it. So recently guys, there's been a video, it kind of went viral, kind of not really, you guys might have caught it, but recently I went to a car meet at night, and it was hosted by just the Lambo dealership where I live, yeah, there were, damn dog, almost ran the guy over, but yeah, there were, you know, people leaving the meet, and you know how when you leave a meet, you always got the you know, full senders, and they send the car, and they do burnouts and stuff. So I'll throw the clip up, but I don't know if you guys have seen the video, but there was like a 18-year-old kid, and he was trying to show off, and he took his dad's 5.0 Mustang out, and yeah, he literally spun out and he went into the crowd. So I'll throw the video up and you guys can like watch it a couple times over and over again. But like literally, bro, he ran over like 4 people. One of the people that got hit, unfortunately, they broke their leg, and I know the kid, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, wow, you really went. Didn't even yield for me, bro. We're just gonna go back around. But yeah, guys, he spun out and he obviously didn't know what he was doing, and it sucks because the kid, I don't know if he went to jail or not, but I know, like, I left and the police showed up, and obviously he got his license taken away, like, bruh. But it's just crazy, guys. Comment down below what you think of the video. I just thought I'd share that with you guys. It's kind of hard not to, like, you know, talk about something like that. It's kind of insane, and it's just like, it's ironic because it just, you know, of course it's a Mustang. Dang, despite the roads being pretty wet, these people are flying. The guy behind me is going fast, these people are going fast. Damn, wouldn't be surprised if one of them just spins out, dude. In Florida, guys, we have the absolute worst drivers, and you really got to be careful because these guys will drive the wrong side of the road, they'll rear end you. It's a lot of elderly people, especially where I am in Florida. So yeah, I absolutely love driving in the rain. It's my favorite. It kind of like, the driving conditions worsen, and a lot of people was like, oh no, it's raining, I don't want to go drive. And me, it's like, all I want to do is drive, because I just think that, like, with the conditions like this, it just makes driving more like thrilling, more fun. And yeah, it's more of a challenge, you know, when you drive, when you kind of push your car, which is what I'm about to do right now, as long as there's no, just gonna roll into it. God, this car sounds so good. This is my favorite section. I'll roll the windows down. Dude, just the breeze, all the rain hitting my face, it truly feels like I'm in like a race simulation or a video game. I don't know how to describe it, guys, but it's super fun. Obviously my car's getting wet, which sucks, but bro, what are you doing, dog? Me first. This is some woman that looked like half asleep. All right, let's roll it down again. Let's do the other one. Let's make it intense. All right. Should be good. Whew. Got a little sideways. Fuck, guys, you see what I mean? I was not going 70 miles an hour. I was not, and the car just started spinning. That is insane. I got off throttle. Thank God I had good reactions, because that could have just got bad. I did not know I was gonna spin going 70 miles an hour. yeah, I'm just gonna end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely if you stuck around to the end, you got a little show. But yeah, I just spun at 70 miles an hour. That was terrifying, and thank God like nothing else happened. Yeah, I'm gonna get some gas, and yeah guys, I just want to say thank you for watching and showing all the love that you guys do. And until the next time, I'll try not to crash. Peace out, guys. Let me see if I can fit through here. I think we can, because we're in a Z and we're super small. Yes, we can. All right, guys. Peace out.